Xero shoes are created to enhance natural motion. Form follows function. Beautiful form, beautiful function. Improved form looks and feels better. Our very own form is pliable. Our form also follows function. Tap into your natural function. Fully functional Xero shoes. Think about it. Over 10 years of steady ultra running in Xero shoes. Sports sandals and huaraches. Trail and road running shoes. Winter boots, hiking boots, waterproof boots, and more. Dressy and casual wear. Water shoes. Cross trainers and racing flats. And more! Improved form equals improved function.